Guys, can you see that? That's the snow, water. It's that cold that it freezes coming down. So the water, so that's the snow. So it's melting, but while it's melting, it's freezing. Yeah. So that's how cold it is. See that? Guys, that's how cool it really is. So when you hear somebody say, you go live in a freezer, yeah? This is it. No joke. Real freezer.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? Alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. If you don't, make somebody bring you to the doctor. And as always, guys, remember if you do some wellness check by your family members, friends, and also your enemies. Guys, Christmas I come and you know Jamaican, they want them llama, they want them curry goat, they want them piece of pork, they want them rice and peas. They don't have no house, some of them don't have no shelter. So make we put together and help a few people. If you see somebody a go to Jamaica, send something. Send a solar, send a bed, send a thing. You don't know. Help out. Now guys, how you do? You know alright? I hope you know alright because this your video is just me. I express myself and I go talk when me see out there. Me people, me hear a lot of people talk about haters and who no like Color Smith and who no. Cause this video is about Color Smith. And who no like Color Smith and who can stop him and all different sort of something. And guys, you know what me know? Some people have their mouth for talk. Them don't even understand what they must say out of their mouth because when you come on social media, people go talk about you. Me, Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV, go talk about you. And when I check it out, if it's good, me go talk about the good. If it's bad, me go talk about the bad. If me need to find something, me go find something. Now, as soon as me walk my mouth about Color Smith, a lot of people, oh yeah, Rodney hate Color Smith, oh he grudge Color Smith, every sort of something. Nobody remember when me was defending Color Smith, even though he never asked me if he do that. But as a life go. But today, I'm going to talk about something when me see a lot of people are talk about, which in my opinion, shouldn't even talk about. But you don't know we are Jamaicans. And we go talk about it and we go find all sort of things we talk about. As long as you do something good to help somebody. Now, when we see people are talk about is the money where Color Smith get. Yes, the money where Color Smith get. Just like how when me say, me I go look some money for help some people. Boom! Room ram. The trucker, the broke back guy, immediately send me a thief. Yes, he send me a thief. Boy, I don't know nothing about me. Boy, send me a thief. Leave him to where him think, because me know who me is. Now, when me see people are talk about is, where is the change that Color Smith get when he purchased the goods? Where did the money go? Where is the money going? Where is the leftover going? Where is this going? Where is that going? Where is this going? Where is that going? With the money. Now, My viewers and subscribers and content creators, hear me out. Listen to what me I say. So Collar Smith, normally Collar Smith take the money out of him pocket. Going to St. Vincent, going to the Hurricane Burrell. Colors take the money out of him own pocket. Him no ask nobody for no money. Nobody asks where is the change. Nobody asks where is the change. As a matter of fact, nobody asks where Collar Smith get the money from. Fear buy all the zincs and nail and give people. Yes, he get a couple places give him some donations with some zinc and some things. But nobody asks where did he get the money from. Nobody say how comes Colors are using own personal money to help these people when him and these people is not family. Nobody said that. Nobody said that. Nobody tried to find out why is he using his own money to do all these things. Nobody said that. Nobody, even not a lot of people, even try to send him any money. Because I believe one time Colors, somebody must send Colors some money. Somebody, I believe, don't quote me on it. I believe somebody sent him some money one time and was asking question and he said he don't want no money from nobody. He don't want nobody send him no more money because he don't want nobody come want to control what him do and how him do with money, so him use him own. I believe, that's what him say. Don't quote me on this. Don't say me I tell no lie upon him because me know as soon as me open my mouth about Collar Smith, all hell break loose because me is wicked. But one thing me know, me go talk what up on my mind and me go talk where me sit and how me see it. Right at this moment, the people them ask where the money, how the money go, how the money I spend, how this, how that, how this, how that, how this, how that, all different sort of something. Now, me have a question for all the people who asking about how the money spend, where the money go, where the money this, how the money this. My question to you is, did you give any money? Did you donate any money? Did you donate any money? That's you are asking where the money go. Because the only way you're supposed to ask where the money go, how the money spent, or where the change there is if you send some money or if you donate. You have no right to ask anything about the money because you never send none. Well, if you send any money, well, you have all right to ask any question about where the money go, how the money go. And as a matter of fact, if you're going to send money and then you're going to ask where the money there, how the money spent, don't send it. Don't send it. Because if you're going to send the money, then ask a whole bunch of questions, don't send it. That mean you never send it with a good heart. That means you never send it with a good heart, a good mind, a good strength. You never send it with anything good in your mind. You send it and you wonder if Collar Smith go use the money or spend the money. Carry the money go on yourself. Anyway, me not talk to the givers them. Me not talk to the givers them. Me talk to the one them where I question the money. Now, and to content creators where I say where the money there. Because of them really ask where the money there, you know. Or how the money go. Fellas, sistrins, and brethrens. The money where Colors get from these donors, and he buy the money, he buy the things, and he buy the goods, and he buy the goods, and he deliver the goods, and he deliver the goods, and he buy the goods, and he deliver the goods, and he buy the goods, and he deliver the goods, and he buy the goods, and how the hell you think the goods reach to the people? Eh? How you think the goods reach to the people? How you think the goods pack up? How you think the goods reach? How you think the goods reach to the people? You think Collar Smith does go in at the supermarket and say, goods, and goods come, and then goods and goods reach to the people? No, I know so it go. When Collar Smith go in at the store, him not going there alone, him going there with some individuals. Pick up all the goods, carry them to the cashier cash everything, him pay the money, them have to carry it, go outside, put it in the vehicle, drive the vehicle to the destination of packing out, then get a whole bunch of people to pack out the goods. Hours a night, 12, 3, 2, 4, 5 o'clock, them a pack out goods. Then when them pack out the goods, them, listen, when them pack out the goods, them, like when them put them in the 2-pound bag, and the 2-pound rice, and 2-pound this, and the 2-pound that, them have to divide it out and put it in our next bag. Hold on. 2 pound of flour, you buy a 100-pound bag of flour, and you take out 2 pound out of it. How much pound left in there? 98 pound left in there. So you have to take out 2 pound each out of a 100-pound bag. You know how much time you have to go in the bag? Same with sugar, rice, and everything. Then when you pack out them little bag, them little 2-pound bag, you have to put them over there, so. Put them over there, so. Then when you're done pack out everything, you have to pack a bag now with each person. Get 2 pound of rice, 2 pound of flour, 2 pound of sugar, sardine, tin mackerel, this, that, in a 1 bag. All of them something they have to pack up. Them are give like 3, 4, 500 people a bag. So just think about who will pack up them bag. And then after them done pack out all of them bag, them have to lift up the bag, put in the truck, in the car, in the bus, in the van. You think that easy work? Then after them do all that, who the hell are go drive the vehicle? Somebody have to drive the vehicle. There is 1, 2, 3 vehicle. 3 people have to drive the vehicle. Collar Smith can't drive 3 vehicles one time. So you have to hire people, the hire driver, to drive to those places. Now hold on a little bit. How you expect the vehicles to reach to those destinies? You think a water run it? You think a friggin' water run those vehicles? It's called gasoline. It's called friggin' gas station that you have to go and purchase the gas. And when he go to the gas station to buy the gas, they charge him $5, $6, $7, $8,000 per vehicle. Because look, from where he is, in St. Mary, to drive to Trelawney, not Trelawney, to Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, Trelawney, all over those places, it's called gasoline. And it's also called energy. Hold on a little bit. All those people who pack those bags, you don't think they want a little donation? You don't think they want a little money? You think they might pack it for free? And even if they might pack it for free, you don't think Color should give them a little 500 or 1,000? What do you think? Anyway, we're not talking about that yet. We're going to talk about that. How the hell you think those little youths, little kids, young men, and Color Smith must do all this work without eating any lunch? A beefy patty, a lunch, a Burger King, a McDonald's, something to eat? What do you think? Hold on. You think this is a free-for-all because the money donate? Because the money donate, you think enough to eat, none, you think enough to buy no gas, you think enough to pay themselves? You think enough to do nothing with the money, none at all? You think they must just go in the place and buy every single drop of money worth of food and carry go give these people without gas to drive the truck, man to drive the truck, people to pack out the things? What the hell is wrong with you? What wrong with Uno? What is wrong with Uno? Now again, let's say this part. All this money comes to Colors and he buy the food. How much for a bag of rice? I don't know. How much for a bag of flour? How much week now since he been doing this? 3, 4, 5? Oh, so you think it's a drop in the park? That's a little bit of money if you just go and buy these things. I got to supermarket in Jamaica to buy food for my mother, and when the lady tell me say $55,000, me nearly drop. When the woman tell me $55,000, me turn around and look at my mother and say, She say, yes, that's correct. What we come out there with? 4 scandal bag. 4 scandal bag. So what we know what talk about? Me not understand what we know what talk about. All we know what do. All we know what do is cause more controversy, more problem, and a stupid part of. There's a lot more things out there we no can talk. You know? Me know them, but me not talk them yet. Me not ready yet. There's a lot more things out there we no can talk about. You know say me a gossip king. Yeah, man, me a gossip king. Yeah. Anyway, the information, then me go find it. And me go put it out there. Because me no cater for nobody. And nobody can stop me from doing me I do. Because at the end of the day, information is information. And when it's wrong, I'm going to talk about it. When it's right, I'm going to talk about it. Like this. This thing now, leave the man and the money where the man I get. Because guess what happened? Him coulda not do nothing. Him coulda not do nothing at all. And if him not do nothing, guess what we not go say? Oh, how come scholars not get nothing? How come scholars not do nothing? So leave the man and the money where him a get. Even if the money where him a get, when him get the change, him a use it and do what him want do. Come on now, guys. I believe that when somebody get donations to help people to do, from people to do certain things, I believe, in my opinion, like in other words is to donate food, to put food together, to bring out to give people. I believe it's a lot of difference goes into that because you have to remember getting the money, fix the money, put the money how you should put it. Go out there to the supermarket, to the stores, buy the food, bring back the food to the destination, pack it up, fix it up, put it together. That's a lot of work. That is a lot of work. They need food to eat. They need gas to bring these things to where those people is. Look, I see Collar Smith driving from Kingston to St. Elizabeth. That's not a lot. That's not a simple drive. Gas in Jamaica, you can't buy. If you do buy $500 gas in Jamaica, which part you go? Which part it carry? How far you can go with a $500 gas in Jamaica? You have to spend $6, $7, $8, $10,000 for gas in Jamaica. And to be honest with you, you may not think a whole heap of money that, but if you buy 2, 3 vehicles and you have to buy $10,000 worth of gas to go, that's $30,000 one way, $60,000 two way. How much time you are do that specific trips? More and more trips. So it go take a lot of money for gas. You, to be honest with you, if Collar Smith will come out and really tell you exactly when how he spend the money, a lot of you that in our brain would be like, what? Because if Collar Smith will come out and tell you how much gas he buy so far by doing all this, going around, meeting these people, buying the food, and me I tell you, he may spend up to nearly $400,000-$500,000 already for gas. And think about food. Think about food for him and his crew, the people where I work around, where I day around, where I do the thing. So if Colors get $1 million, listen to me good. If Colors get $1 million, and out of that million, he spend 900,000 out of that million, and have $100,000 left, and him feel like him want to use the $100,000 do sit down and relax and eat food with him and him workers and everything. Nobody should have a problem with that, because him put in the work. Listen me good. Now, even if you eat Collar Smith, your brain supposed to think different. Even if you don't like Collar Smith. People say me not like Collar Smith, which me have just laugh still. People say me not like Collar Smith, you know. Me will make all them videos about Collar Smith. But as soon as me talk anything wrong or bad or may sound bad to people. Me no like Color Smith. But none of you know if me like Color Smith or if me not hate Color Smith or if me hate Color Smith. And guess what? I do not hate Color Smith at all. But me go talk when me see the things them. Or when me hear the things them, me go investigate, and if me find out, me go talk about it. But right now, I do not see or think people should even talk about this. Money business. My viewers and subscribers, with that said, you don't know, enough respect, enough manners. Until the next video, stay tuned because the next video I come and go bitter and hot like 10 fireside. Remember, stay blessed. I'm out until the next video. Bye-bye.